Hey guys, welcome back with me again in this channel. On today's tutorial, I'm going to show you how you can replace your face with a 3D cartoon character in a video by using the CapCut Mobile. So just add your videos into CapCut with a clear vision of your face like this, and after that go to effects, click on the body effects, and in here just swipe the category until you find the image options. Click on the image. So there will be lots of 3D cartoon character that you can choose. For example, here I'm going to use the man 2 cartoon character like that, or let's try this pink poo. Okay, this kind of cute. You can just select the one that you like the best, and after that just click on the check icon. Don't forget to adjust the length of the effect, and this is it. Thank you so much for watching. Don't forget to like, comment, and subscribe. Also click on the thanks. Bye.